Very good morning, children. The chapter 4, solid, liquid and gas. I am again here with the same chapter with the new topic, that is change of state. Yesterday we have completed the 3 states of matter. Now it is essential to learn how these states could be changed. Like matter can change from one state to another on heating or cooling. Heating किसी भी चीज़ को गर्म करना, कूलिंग किसी भी चीज़ को ठंडा करना. So by heating or by cooling we can change the matter from one state to another. So first thing is heating. So melting, we are going to learn the melting process. So for melting, the melting, in the Hindi we can say that pighalna. So when ice is kept out of a refrigerator, it melts into water. You know very well, it is a very common thing, common process, that when we keep our ice into the refrigerator, when we keep the water inside the refrigerator, we will get a ice cube, and when the same ice cube we will remove from the refrigerator, we will see that it starts melting or it becomes water, or after some time it becomes liquid. So the process by which a solid become liquid on heating is called melting. So you will ask me ki here we are not heating the water, so how the ice become liquid? So yes children, here we are not going to heat the water. हम लोग यहाँ पर पानी को गर्म नहीं कर रहे हैं, but still the ice becomes or ice starts melting. So लेकिन फिर भी ice जो है वो melt होना start हो रही है. तो कैसे? How? Because inside the refrigerator you all know the temperature is very low. Temperature बहुत कम होता है, और because of the low temperature we will get a chilled water or we will get the ice cube from the freezer. But when we keep the things inside the fridge or inside the refrigerator, we will get the things in a very cold temperature, with the chilled temperature. But the temperature out of the fridge is very higher, or the temperature out of the fridge is higher than the temperature inside the fridge. So when we remove the ice cube from the fridge, it means we are giving temperature or we are heating the ice cube, thus the ice cube starts melting. So this is the process of melting. When ice is kept out of a refrigerator, it melts into water. This is a very simple line. जब हम आइस को उसके रेफ्रिजरेटर से बाहर निकालते हैं तो वो पिघलना स्टार्ट हो जाती है और पानी वाटर में कन्वर्ट होने लगती है. So the definition is the process of changing a solid into a liquid on heating is called melting. So melting is the process in which we can see the solid form into the liquid form by the heating. So exactly होता क्या है इस melting process में? So you know ice is what? Ice is the solid form of the matter. Ice is the solid form of the matter, and yesterday we have read that in the solid state the molecules are very closely packed, the intermolecular space are 0, means without intermolecular space. The force of attraction is higher in the solid state. So when ice is kept in a warm place, जब आइस को किसी गर्म जगह पे रखते हैं, then molecules of ice start vibrating faster. Then तब गर्म जगह पे रखते हैं तो क्या होता है, जो molecules हैं आइस के, they start moving faster, they show faster movement, और वो fast movement करना show करते हैं, और इस due to this fast movement they become free and they become loosely packed as the molecules of water are. You know, the water molecules are loosely packed and they have a they have a more intermolecular space than the solid ice. So अभी solid जो था, ice जो था, that is solid form, और उसमें जो इंटरमोलिकुलर स्पेस बिल्कुल नहीं था, बट जैसे ही वो पिघलना स्टार्ट होती है उसके मॉलिक्यूल्स के बीच में इंटरमोलिकुलर स्पेस बढ़ने लगता है, और ये क्या शो कर रहा है कि सॉलिड फॉर्म is now converting into its liquid form. So this process is known as melting. Now we will move in towards the next process, that is evaporation. This is the next process by which we can convert the one state of matter into another. So evaporation means भाप बनना. तो evaporate होने पर क्या होता है? So when you boil the water, जब भी कभी आपने देखा होगा घर पे बॉयल करने, वाटर बॉयल करना, जब आप यू कैन व्हेन यू कुक द मैगी फॉर यू, तो आप उसमें पानी बॉयल करते हो, देन यू कैन ईजिली सी द वाटर स्टार्ट, व्हेन द वाटर स्टार्ट बॉइलिंग, द वाटर बिकम्स वेपर. you can easily see the vapors, water vapors or steam that are emerging from the pan. It means जैसे ही हम पानी को बॉयल करना स्टार्ट करते हैं तो हमें वाटर वेपर्स दिखाई पड़ती है, भाप दिखाई पड़ती है और स्टीम दिखाई पड़ती है. सो ये क्या शो करता है? वाटर इज़ व्हाट? लिक्विड, एंड स्टीम इज़ व्हाट? गैस. So what here the water liquid form is now converting into its gaseous state. So this is again a change of state of matter. This is again a change. There is a change in the state of a matter. So how the changes occur? So when water is heated, again we are heating the water. Here you can see the picture. देयर इज़ अ पैन जो कि इसको हम हीट कर रहे हैं, और उसमें से आपको वाटर है इसके अंदर, और उसमें से आपको बहुत सारी स्टीम्स दिखाई पड़ रही हैं. सो व्हेन वाटर इज़ हीटेड इट चेंजेस इनटू वाटर वेपर. द प्रोसेस ऑफ चेंजिंग ऑफ लिक्विड इनटू अ गैस बाय हीटिंग इज नोन एज इवेपोरेशन. So evaporation is the process by which the liquid become gas. The process of changing of a liquid into a gas on heating is called evaporation. And for evaporation we need heating. We need to heat the water. So exactly उसके पीछे process क्या हुई? तो molecules of water start vibrating faster on heating. When we provide the heat to the water, the water molecules start moving faster. The water molecules start moving faster. They become free and they escape into the air as gas. Now when they heat up, the molecules become heat up, they show faster movement, and when they show faster movement, so they are free to move into the air in the form of gas, So this gas is the third state of matter that is very very fast. Okay, so it is a third state of matter, and the intermolecular space is maximum in this gaseous state. So molecules of a gas move much more freely. This is the evaporation. So evaporation is the process, it is the conversion of a liquid into its gaseous state by heating, right? Now the next third definition or third process is condensation. So condensation is again a process by which we can change the state of matter. So what is condensation? So when the steam touches a cold surface, it changes into the water. जब steam, अभी यहाँ पर आप you are seeing that here is a steam. तो when the steam touches a cold surface, so अभी क्या करें? अगर if we cover this boiling water, अगर हम इस boiling water के pan को ढक दें तो क्या होगा? That lid or that cover is having a cold surface, and when this hot gas or hot air comes in the contact of a cold surface of the lid, it immediately gets converted into its liquid form. So when the gas become liquid after cooling, this whole process is known as condensation. So we can say, in another words, we can say that the process of changing a gas into a liquid on cooling is called condensation. This is the process in which a gas is get converted into liquid form by cooling. This is a condensation process. So ये आप तब भी देखते हो जब आप किसी गर्म पानी को एक ग्लास में रखो और उसके बाद उसको थोड़ी देर के लिए छोड़ दो ढक के। आप थोड़ी देर के बाद देखोगे कि उसके ढक्कन को जब आप रिमूव करोगे ग्लास के ऊपर से, तो आपको बहुत सारी वाटर ड्रॉपलेट्स दिखाई पड़ेंगी। वाटर ड्रॉपलेट्स, पानी की बूंदें दिखाई पड़ेंगी। सो ये पानी की बूंदें कहाँ से आई? बाय द कंडेंसेशन प्रोसेस. So condensation is the conversion of a liquid, condensation is the conversion of a gas into its liquid form by cooling. This is the condensation process. Here the picture is, see the picture, there is a glass. Inside that glass the hot water is there, and you can easily see the smaller water droplets around the glass, outer side of the glass. This is due to the condensation process. Now the last process is, that is freezing. This is the last process, freezing. This is the last process. Freezing, अभी freezing क्या है? You all having fridge, refrigerator in your home. We can easily freeze the water inside the freezer by cooling, by chilling. So when we decrease the temperature, we can convert the liquid water into the solid form again. So this is the freezing process. So when water is kept in a freezer, it changes into ice. It is a very simple thing, और ये generally हम summers में करते हैं. हम पानी को freezer में रखते हैं और कुछ घंटों के बाद हम वो liquid water solid form में हमें मिलता है in the form of ice. So the process of changing a liquid into a solid on cooling is called freezing. So this is the definition, children. The process of changing a liquid into a solid on cooling is called freezing. On cooling water, the molecules slow down. Abhi we are converting the liquid state into the solid. So you know very well कि liquid state is a active state. It is a more active state than the solid. Solid में active state, solid में molecules are not doing any activity. They are fixed in their position. They are fixed in their position. They don't show any movement. Molecules don't show any movements. Their intermolecular spaces are 0 without intermolecular space, and the force of attraction is higher. But the liquid state shows movement. The molecules shows movement. The intermolecular space is larger than the solid form, and they show much more movement than the solid. So जब हम पानी को ठंडा करते हैं तो क्या होता है? जब हम पानी को ठंडा करते हैं मतलब उसके टेम्परेचर को कम करते हैं. तो when we decrease the temperature of water, actually we are decreasing the activity of the molecules. हम molecules की activity को decrease कर रहे हैं, because जो molecules है water molecules उनकी activity को decrease कर रहे हैं. It means उनके state को change कर रहे हैं from the liquid to the solid. So this conversion of the state is known as freezing. Freezing is the conversion of a liquid into solid on cooling, right? So these are some important definition of this chapter, freezing. So I hope you all have understood the change of state, that is melting, evaporation, condensation and freezing. So again I am repeating the some definition quickly. Melting, पिघलना. When we when we keep the ice out of the fridge, it starts melting. So we can say that melting is the process, melting is the conversion of a liquid solid into a liquid by heating is called melting. Melting is the conversion, it is a conversion of a solid into liquid by heating is melting. Evaporation, the conversion of a liquid into its gaseous form by heating is called evaporation. And the condensation process, the conversion of a gas into liquid again is known as condensation, right. So these are the definition. Children, the homework is to learn the definition of melting, evaporation, condensation and freezing. These 4 definitions you have to learn it. This is your homework, and you have to draw the pictures also, the melting picture, the evaporation and the condensation picture, right. So this is all for today. Take care and stay at home.